Hey everybody, welcome, or not welcome, gosh, welcome back to the channel, but it's much different scene for today. I don't even know what today is. I think it's Monday. I'm off to help cook some meals for people that still don't have power here in the upstate of South Carolina. I'm sure you've seen the news. It's been really, really cataclysmic here. It's been a mess. One of my best friends lost her home and her car in the flood. She lived downriver from Chimney Rock in the Lake Lure area. And yeah, she lost everything. So obviously probably not going to be a lot of updates from me for the time being, but I just wanted to say thank you for everybody for reaching out. I personally am okay. Thankfully, all the pets are okay. Brandon was out of town for the storm, but he's on his way home now, and the house has fared okay. We had some trees come down and wreck the neighbor's house, so we're currently dealing with all of that, letting people stay at our house that's for sale because they have no power. One of our best friend's houses in Shelby was crushed by 3 trees, and they were evacuated in the middle of the storm, and so it's just been a really hellacious weekend, to say the least. If you are so inclined, I'm going to leave my friend's GoFundMe. This is my friend, she's a single mom, 3 kids, the one that was downriver from Lake Lure. So I will be in touch whenever I can, and I hope that you guys are all staying safe out there, and yeah, much love.